Kungi ladang isya sama ladang ipakat ketika
So what I have
utu bakal lacet sebab dah kumpulan. So I think they also will be happy to know.
Sanphones kuntal person te pila laban thon to kadai do kane kadai. We do not use onion here. We will use ginger and garlic as a condiment. So we have put it. So we will put this is ginger and garlic. Not having bowl chopper.
Kalau kumni ba ka demand nak benta value addition programs kamtam hakal yang jong ka training skill programs ki bun man kini kinong rep ki kena college rural youth ki ba teng teng ki la shushong yeng ki patip ban le apply kam shano te ki don por te ki la ju tho shiti teng teng ne ki se daya kendu ki wi training ki onglong ne aman I trainings ki ba per te menchua ting sedang shua bet daka namun tak kini ki horticultural crops mo ki jhur ki so gitu benchna ashash na wine chna te namar ba yo ye kani ka program pat ngala su thu wat karu kamle do that ka traditional method jongi kamlong scientific at all te katadam kumno ka di ban ya lenti ka di ban jangai ka no kadang tip mentaka sengiru ba lai do nru fode di ban jangai jing sha ka ding naka do ndengi pat direct baik kengi jubu ka do ha jong ka lalong no ka depai mo ka tu ka jakatang ka yu ka jongi te ila yu thu isa rumane ki trainings ba na ka tu ka rukom that ka jongi ke ka ba jaw mo kumki ka tu ka kshong teng teng ka ne ka fats ka bangi ong kala jaw to ding ka ding ka balik cube yang ka tadam ka balik poi yang tu kitu jing sha ki de ki balong bi na mantaka met ka jong ubri hi te ki don bun ki jingpang ki ba wan tang na katuru na kata traditional method jongi telada la shisha ba ki nongrap jongi menta ka singi lai ba ki la hikai ru ki don ki methods ki ba per don menta ka value addition ka bang lale kedai ka ngi ashar dai na ki jur nang ta ya ku umso ba dai na ki so ba mi na per nang ta ya ki wan ni ka yeu te ngampat da penyat yeu tang ba da don kumtu don exhibition lane don festival hajan kumtu ngayo ban le bu stall lang ngayo ban le di akum ta kajing i ke jonga hakan ka value addition namar ba ikini ki jur ki ba menshwa ngaju rep dei hakper kum yaki muli nanta yaki tu ki banga ngale asyari itu bunfin ki muli ki suput hakper dale jiru tatdor ba data kadau na lingba ka training ng mga na kani ka office KBKhi lewan I training mas na asyar te nglayo bas na asyar te nglayo bandi ken kala along bakla ya jakwe ka dor mo long shu ba mandi kumtu umli sibuk ngidi ka dor something ka kumtu la na asyar pat nglayo di kita bit ka dor.
So value added meat products are those which are if we are adding some value to the meat in the form of converting it into a different product, incorporating something non-meat ingredients, okay, or we can to increase the shelf life and also increase the value of the product in terms of monetary value also, in terms of your sensory flavor or texture also, and also in terms of taste. The meat which are basically directly we cannot consume, we do not like to consume, like the breast meat which is have a different types of texture. So tender meat we can consume it directly, but tough meat we can go for value addition. And also if you want to market any new product to the longer distances, because meat has a very short shelf life of 2 to 3 days, so if you turn it into a value added product, you can market it into long distance. You can also popularize your traditional meat product, or you can also generate more income. One thing is that 95% of the people, more than 95%, I say 99% of the people in the northeastern region are non-vegetarian. So meat is their preferable choice. So value addition of meat will since meat is their preferable choice, meat is available everywhere. So if these people, because some every farmer they used to rear one or two livestock for meat consumption, and if this can be promoted, value addition can be promoted, it will open new scope for these rural entrepreneurs, so that they can prepare different types of local meat product also. Smoked meat, say smoked meat is a one flavor which is very much relished by everyone in the northeastern region, even in the east asian countries. So this type of smoked meat product can be prepared here, and you can market it to the different markets in the northeastern region as well as in the southeast asian countries. I also want that the people from the northeast, every corner of the northeast, should take up the, because we are very much interested in meat, so we should take up such venture to establish meat retail related entrepreneurship in this region, because we have a good scope, we like it, and so we have more enthusiasm to work over this type of entrepreneurship.